Woo. Whoop. You think these are the girls and they keep them away from the boys? When it's like the season?
That looks like a boy.
Looks like a girl.
What's that little thing on it?
A swole up. Maybe this is a boy and a girl? Where'd she go? Oh, she's in the window. Hello! Hurry up before she leaves. Get a good picture. Look at those teeth.
Oh, which one would you say is better all the time?
Just keep a bunch of them, and you can go through them later. That's what I always do. That looks like a bat in the face. Got long little toes. Hi. Here she goes. Ooh, parrots. And Gotti.
Look, I think we got a bunch of baby chicks.
Oh yeah, they do have baby chickens. Oh my gosh, these are even smaller than the lion head ones.
There's one after that moth in there.
The what?
There's a moth or something in there. Look at this little bitty mouse.
Where? You think they eat them?
I don't know.
What's it in there for? Oh my gosh. Certainly they don't eat mice. These are cute. Well, hello. Jeez. Animals are really active this morning. Uh-oh, we've got baby chickens. We just hatched. We've been in the incubator for 21 days.
This is you. Oh, Rebecca, come here.
It looks like we came at the right time because everything's hatching.